Okay, so here I am. I'm going to try to make the SodaStream soda. I haven't ever done it before, but we're going to give this a try. It looks like we get a cartridge here. Let me open this up. I don't know how to open it even. Let me get some scissors. This will be interesting. I've never made one of these, but okay. So here we are. We have the little device, and I guess it's going to screw into the bottom of this somehow. Boy, that's a tight fit. Okay, I think, okay, we are screwed in. So now I have this screwed in to the bottom. I don't know, there's some plastic there. And I have the bottle here, and it says, let's see, what do I do? I think I'm supposed to fill it up to that mark. We're gonna find out here in the manual. Water bottle, attaching the gas. Fill the water bottle to the line, so we can fill it to the between the min and the max. So let me do that here. I don't know why I had super hot water coming out of my faucet, but we will be filling it here. Okay, so now I've got my water right in between those two lines. Okay, and then we attach the water bottle, so I guess we screw it up into this. Okay, and then we carbonate the water by pushing down. Okay, here goes nothing. I don't know how long I'm supposed to hold it for. Oh, 2 to 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try one more time here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we should be pretty carbonated now. Let's see. And then what do we do here? Oh, now I have to ventilate the bottle. Release the button back to horizontal. Oh, so now it should have vented it already, I guess, by the nature of it there. So now it should have made water into soda. Oh my God, it did. How cool is that? Just from doing it from there. So it made it into soda. And then I have these different flavors here. I have this SodaStream Homestyle Lemonade, and then this Bubbly Drops. So I don't know how to do it, but let's see if we can try this one here. I'll try these ones here, Bubbly Drops. So let's see how we do these. These are unsweetened. Add about 3/4 of a teaspoon into a liter. So we'll just kind of eyeball it here. Ooh, it smells pretty good. So let's see. That's probably about a teaspoon. And then it comes with a little lid. And we will shake it up here. Ooh. Ooh, now it's got some flavor to it. What flavor was it? Like cherry? Strawberry. I think I'm going to put a little bit more in there. I like my stuff to be flavored more, but it totally has flavor. This is pretty cool. I made my own soda. It's like my seltzer water kind of soda. It's not super strong. I wonder if this one here would be stronger. Who knows? But it's really got a lot of carbonation. Ah, there we go. That's delicious. Super cool. Thumbs up.